How do you fix Fields of Mysteria is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click on the game in your library, open the properties, and in the launch options you will need to add -dx11 and go to installed files and verify the game files. And once it's completed, close Steam. Next you want to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which is below in the description. And from here you will need to download and install the redistributables, the 86 and the 64, both of them. Now once you finish this, it will ask you to restart your computer, so make sure to do that. Next, you'll need to update your GPU driver. So if you have an NVIDIA graphic card, you will need this NVIDIA app installed. Then go to drivers and check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest update. Once you're done, you want to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.